Alright, what is up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's gonna be a little bit different because some things have changed and we need to talk about it. So like you've probably seen from the title of this video, I've been working on my own for a couple of weeks now actually. As a lot of you guys know, I used to work at a body shop. I am no longer working there. They recently let me and the painter go. They decided they were going in a different direction. That's not important. I had been wanting to make some sort of change anyways. This has just kind of expedited the process. So I'm going to be working for myself for the foreseeable future. I'm lucky to have a lot of people locally that have been hooking me up with some work. So if you are in the Atlanta area and you need any paint or body work done, send me a DM on Instagram. I can get you taken care of. But anyways, it's just taken a little bit of time to get used to this new schedule. I was pretty locked in to my old schedule. I had a nice little routine going, especially with making these videos. So just bear with me for a little bit while we get used to this, and we'll get back to some sort of consistency for sure. And hopefully we'll actually have some more time to work on videos and potentially start putting out multiple videos per week. That's definitely something I'd like to work towards, but it's probably going to take a little bit of time to get used to, get in the swing of things. I've actually got a really cool Miata project at the house right now that we're going to be doing a whole video series on. We're going to check that out in just a little bit. But I'm also probably going to start doing a little bit more vlogs, kind of showing the paint and body stuff, kind of showing the work that I'm doing right now. Kind of want to get back into filming the other car projects that we do. So hopefully that'd be something you guys are interested in seeing. But for today, just want to give you guys that update and kind of show what a typical day is looking like now for me working for myself. So right now it's about 9:30 in the morning. One of the first things I do after I get up is I like to hop on the computer real quick, check some emails, check some YouTube comments, reply to those, reply to comments and stuff on Instagram. Then I'll usually head downstairs, look at what we've got to do today, and see if we've got to run any errands. I like to try and get all the running around taken care of first thing in the morning if we can. If I have to go pick up parts, go drop off parts that are finished, or go get materials. Or like today, I had to go get gas in the BMW and then film this here video. So after all that's taken care of, I'll head back to the house and actually get started working. Today we've got a Subaru bumper job we've got to get ready. I primed it this weekend, and today I'm just going to go ahead and sand everything out and get it prepped to actually spray. So we're going to do that today and then get started on the Miata project that we're going to show you, introduce you guys to that, and then we've got to edit this video, and that will probably be it for today. So let's keep it moving. Alright, so here is the Miata project I was talking about. This is Kevin Bandy's what's going to be his race car. This is literally just an NA rolling shell right now. There's nothing to this except for the chassis. A lot of nice welding work done on this. Full roll cage. The whole chassis has been seam welded and everything has just been left bare right now. So it started to rust, so we need to clean all this up, get it coated, get it painted. So what I'm going to start on today is just grinding welds, cleaning them up. Then from there we'll do epoxy primer on everything, and he wants to paint this white. So we'll go epoxy primer, seal it, paint it white, and then the whole outside of this car is going to be getting a livery, so it's going to be getting wrapped. So we're mostly just concerned with the inside, the cage, the engine bay and all that, but we'll probably just end up painting the whole thing. Now I'm going to get going on this Subaru bumper. Just got to sand this primer here. Primer gets hit with 400 and 600 grit, and then the rest of the paint will just get hit with 800. you doing that?
So with the poly bushings, or any bushing really, if you tighten it when there's no pressure on it, and then you go and set the car down, you'll rip the bushings because they won't be able to move.
Cool.
Right?